What's up, guys? Thomas Feng with Bay Area Connect. This Friday's financial update is brought to you by Joe Lima of Princeton Capital. Joe, why don't you first get us caught up on current interest rates?
Thanks, Thomas. Well, current interest rates for today, based on a 30-year fixed with 0 points cost to the interest rate, you're looking at conforming fixed, which would mean a loan up to $417,000. You're looking at a rate between 3.75 and 3.875. An agency jumbo loan, so that would be a loan amount above $417 all the way up to $625,500. You're looking at a rate between 4 and 4.125, depending on the equity that you have in the property. And then for a jumbo loan, so that would be for loan amounts above $625, again depending on the equity in the property and the down payment, you're looking at a rate between 4.25 and 4.375 on a 30-year fixed. And for the FHA buyers out there with low down payment or first-time home buyers putting that 3.5% down, you're looking at an interest rate between 3.75 and 3.875, below 4% as well on the FHA 30-year fixed.
Great, thanks for that update, Joe. So every week on Friday, we're going to be talking about some financial issues that might be coming up in the real estate market or the financial market. Joe, why don't you get us caught up with that?
Well, there hasn't been any major changes interest rate-wise over the past couple weeks. They've been relatively flat. There's been some day-to-day changes with some ups and downs, but for the most part, week to week, over the past 2.5, 3 weeks, the rates have been relatively the same. And that is mainly because of the economic concerns over in Europe, mainly Greece. And what that's doing is it's causing some concern for investors to put their money into stocks. Instead of that, they're putting it into bonds, which is creating a lower interest rates or maintaining the interest rate levels that we're at now. And not to mention the Fed with their policy or with their suggestion about keeping interest rates lower until 2014. We'll see how that goes. But the Greece concerns are keeping the interest rates where they're at right now, and once that gets resolved, we can see where the interest rates move from there.
Right. Thanks for that financial update, Joe. Right now, I'm going to give you guys a real estate update for the city of Campbell for April of 2012. We had a total of 36 new properties, 7 in the 700,000s, 13 in the 600s, 4 in the 500s, and 8 below the 400,000s. 41 sold properties in Campbell, 5 in the 700s, 13 in the 600s, and 7 below 500 and 11 below 400. So right now we're seeing the market definitely heat up in Campbell in around the 600,000 price point. To get a more in-depth market report, check out my blog at bayareaconnect.com. Again, the real estate market is definitely changing every day. To sit down and discuss your situation, give me a call, 408-840-3852.
And if you want to see what you qualify for specifically, run a pre-approval, feel free to give me a call, 408-872-3043. It's Joe Lima with Princeton Capital.
Thanks again for watching, and have a great week.